Bow window installation in Sugarland is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and increase natural light. Our team of bow windows Sugarland experts specializes in providing top-notch bow window services, ensuring that each installation is tailored to meet the unique needs of your home. With a variety of bow windows Sugarland styles and materials available, we offer custom bow windows Sugarland that perfectly complement your home's architecture. For those in need of bow windows Sugarland installation, our bow windows Sugarland specialists are equipped to handle any issues, from minor installations to major overhauls. We understand the importance of maintaining the integrity and functionality of your bow windows Sugarland, which is why we offer comprehensive bow windows Sugarland maintenance services. Our bow windows Sugarland contractors are dedicated to providing efficient and reliable solutions to keep your bow windows Sugarland in top condition. When it comes to bow windows Sugarland replacement, our bow windows Sugarland professionals offer a wide range of energy-efficient bow windows Sugarland designed to improve your home's energy efficiency. Our bow windows Sugarland upgrades not only enhance the appearance of your home but also provide significant energy savings. With our bow windows Sugarland consultation services, you can explore various bow windows Sugarland options and receive expert advice on the best solutions for your home. Bow windows Sugarland design is all about creating a unique and personalized look for your home. Our bow windows Sugarland companies offer a variety of bow windows Sugarland features and enhancements to choose from, allowing you to customize your windows to suit your style and preferences. Whether you're looking for traditional or modern bow windows Sugarland styles, our bow windows Sugarland providers have the expertise to bring your vision to life. For those interested in bow windows Sugarland pricing, we provide detailed bow windows Sugarland quotes to help you make informed decisions. Our bow windows Sugarland solutions are competitively priced, ensuring that you receive the best value for your investment. With our transparent pricing and commitment to quality, you can trust our bow windows Sugarland companies to deliver exceptional results. Bow windows Sugarland benefits extend beyond aesthetics, offering increased natural light, improved ventilation, and enhanced curb appeal. Our bow windows Sugarland enhancements are designed to maximize these benefits, providing you with a beautiful and functional addition to your home. With our bow windows Sugarland experts, you can enjoy the many advantages of bow windows Sugarland without the hassle. Choosing the right bow windows Sugarland contractors is crucial for a successful installation or installation. Our team of bow windows Sugarland professionals is committed to delivering high-quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. With years of experience in the industry, our bow windows Sugarland specialists have the skills and knowledge to handle any project, big or small. Bow windows Sugarland materials play a significant role in the overall performance and appearance of your windows. Our bow windows Sugarland providers offer a wide selection of materials, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum, to suit your specific needs and preferences. With our expert guidance, you can select the best materials for your custom bow windows Sugarland, ensuring durability and longevity. Bow window installation in Sugarland is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Our Bow Windows Sugarland experts provide top-notch Bow Windows Sugarland services, ensuring that each installation is tailored to meet your specific needs. With a variety of Bow Windows Sugarland styles and Bow Windows Sugarland options available, you can choose the perfect design to complement your home. Our Bow Windows Sugarland contractors are highly skilled and experienced, guaranteeing a seamless installation process. For those in need of Bow Windows Sugarland installation, our Bow Windows Sugarland specialists offer comprehensive Bow Windows Sugarland maintenance and installation services. Whether it's a minor fix or a major installation, our Bow Windows Sugarland professionals are equipped to handle any issue. We use high-quality Bow Windows Sugarland materials to ensure durability and longevity, providing you with peace of mind. Our Bow Windows Sugarland solutions are designed to restore your Bow Windows Sugarland to their original condition, enhancing both functionality and appearance. Custom Bow Windows Sugarland offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home. Our Bow Windows Sugarland design experts work closely with you to create custom Bow Windows Sugarland that reflect your style and preferences. From energy-efficient Bow Windows Sugarland to innovative Bow Windows Sugarland features, we provide a wide range of Bow Windows Sugarland enhancements to choose from. Our Bow Windows Sugarland consultation services help you explore all available options, ensuring you make an informed decision. Bow Windows Sugarland replacement is an excellent way to upgrade your home and improve energy efficiency. Our Bow Windows Sugarland replacement services are designed to provide you with the best Bow Windows Sugarland benefits, including improved insulation and reduced energy costs. We offer competitive Bow Windows Sugarland pricing and detailed Bow Windows Sugarland quotes to help you plan your project. Our Bow Windows Sugarland companies are committed to delivering exceptional results, making us the preferred choice for Bow Windows Sugarland upgrades. Choosing the right Bow Windows Sugarland providers is crucial for a successful project. Our Bow Windows Sugarland professionals are dedicated to delivering high-quality Bow Windows Sugarland services, from initial consultation to final installation. We pride ourselves on being leading Bow Windows Sugarland companies, offering reliable and efficient Bow Windows Sugarland solutions. With our expertise and commitment to customer satisfaction, you can trust us to handle all your Bow Windows Sugarland needs. Energy-efficient Bow Windows Sugarland are a smart investment for any homeowner. Our Bow Windows Sugarland experts specialize in installing energy-efficient Bow Windows Sugarland that help reduce your carbon footprint and lower energy bills. With a focus on sustainability, our Bow Windows Sugarland contractors use the latest technology and materials to ensure maximum efficiency. Our Bow Windows Sugarland enhancements not only improve energy performance but also add value to your home. Bow Windows Sugarland consultation is an essential step in the decision-making process. Our Bow Windows Sugarland specialists provide detailed Bow Windows Sugarland quotes and Bow Windows Sugarland pricing information to help you understand the costs involved. We offer a wide range of Bow Windows Sugarland options and Bow Windows Sugarland features to suit any budget and style. Our Bow Windows Sugarland providers are committed to transparency and honesty, ensuring you receive the best value for your investment.